The remote start feature on your 2021-2023 Cadillac Escalade key fob allows you to start the engine from a distance, preconditioning the cabin. First, ensure that the key fob is within a 60 to 100 foot range and the vehicle is locked or unlocked but not ajar. Press the lock button on the key fob twice within 3 seconds. Immediately after, press and hold the remote start button, shown by a circular arrow icon, for 2 to 3 seconds. The turn signals will flash twice and the engine will start. Confirm operation by observing the climate control indicator on the dashboard or listening for the engine. The engine will run for approximately 10 to 15 minutes before automatically shutting off for safety and to conserve battery. To enter and drive, approach the vehicle, press the brake pedal, and then press the start button again to fully engage the ignition. If you need to shut down before the timer is up, press the remote start button one more time. If remote start fails, check these safety conditions. Ensure the hood is closed, fuel level is adequate, and engine temperature is normal. The system includes built-in safety checks that prevent operation under unsafe conditions. Aftermarket remote starters can interfere with the factory system and cause operational issues. Stick to OEM components for reliability. If remote start doesn't respond, check the key fob battery. Replace it if needed to restore functionality. The My Cadillac app provides an alternative remote start option, requiring Bluetooth or cellular connection for operation. For added security, enable two-factor authentication and regularly monitor My Cadillac app activity to prevent unauthorized access and potential theft. Overuse of remote start can drain the vehicle battery. Be mindful of usage to avoid starting issues. Cadillac is integrating remote start with smart ecosystems, voice activation, and biometric authentication for enhanced convenience and security.